as promised, just for you, beautiful African print head wrap. Okay, so you're gonna need half a yard of fabric, 60 inches or 72 inches wide. The wider, the more fluffier and bouncier it will look. Okay, let's get right into it. So firstly, you're gonna bring your ends to the front and tie. Make sure they're even. Okay, so you put that at the back of your head like that. Bring the front over like this. All right, make sure it's even. All right, let me go some more. All right, so you see it's even. So I'm going to do tying. So I'm going to tie at the front. Right over left or left over right. It's up to you. All right. So there you have it. So right now it's tied. Now you have this. You're going to bring it in. Do not tie it too tight because you're going to have to do some tucking, okay? All right. So there, I tuck it in. Make it a little tighter, but not too tight. All right. I'm going to make a second tie, right over left, left over right. It depends on how you want to do it. All right. So this is the second tie. So you have your bump right there. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to fold like this. So you're going to need 2 elastic bands for each side. So this is the first one. I fold it. Now I'm going to use my elastic band. And I'm going to put this together like this. So you're going to have like 2 rabbit ears stuck up in your head like that. And another one stuck up in your head like this. It's so funny. Oh my God. Isn't she lovely? So there you go. And over like this. Look at these 2 rabbit ears. Blah, 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 whatever. All right. So we're going to make it a little even. All right, so you can see it's even. Now these 2 ends, you're going to tuck them under the sides like this. Tuck under. There you have it. You're going to tuck this under too at the side. All right. That's bunny rabbit. All right. Now I'm going to open up like this. And I'm going to open up. So the same thing, what you do to that side, the right side, you're going to do it to your left. Look at that, so beautiful, right? Oh, I could wear it like this. African princess, African queen, African princess, empress. Now I'm going to bring these 2 ends together. And I'm going to pin, use a safety pin, all right? So I'm going to pin those ends together. Oh my God, look at it. And there you have it. So beautiful. So beautiful. Isn't she lovely? Look at that. Follow me for more Stitching and Crafting by Nadine. All right? Isn't she pretty? Isn't she beautiful? There it is. So it's all smooth. Look at the back. What do you think? Rate my craft. Okay. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. As always, peace. Do it yourself.